Welcome to this step-by-step guide for setting up the app on your Webflow site. First, click the Install App button. Then click Start 14-Day Free Trial. And finally, click Authorize App. You'll be redirected to the website's Speedy dashboard, where it auto-fetches 3 key URLs. These are used only for reporting, while enhancing your site's overall performance. Before moving forward, we recommend checking your current website speed using tools like PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, and Pingdom. Next, click the Boost Speed Now button. You'll be provided with a script code. Copy this code and add on your website's head section. Click Save. Now publish. Once you've added the script, click Verify and go to Step 3. Once the script is verified, click Analyze Updated Speed and scroll to see your results on desktop and mobile. To confirm the improvement, recheck your store's speed with Google PageSpeed Insights, Pingdom, and GTmetrix. And that's it.